Annealed steel strip is a type of steel that has undergone the annealing process to improve its ductility and reduce hardness. This treatment involves heating the steel strip to a specific temperature and then cooling it slowly, which alters its microstructure. The annealing process makes the steel strip more workable, enhancing its ability to be formed and bent without cracking. This makes it ideal for use in manufacturing, construction, and various industrial applications. Annealed steel strips exhibit excellent surface finish, uniform thickness, and consistent mechanical properties. They are commonly used in automotive parts, appliances, electrical components, and metal furniture. The benefits of using annealed steel strips include improved flexibility, corrosion resistance after proper treatment, and enhanced electrical conductivity in some cases. In summary, annealed steel strips are essential materials in many industries due to their improved mechanical properties and versatility.